So today is the day that we cut over and put everything on the new pecs. The problem is it all goes underneath the trailer here and it's not very well insulated. I don't want it to freeze in the future. So I've pretty much got a jump on replacing things. Today I'll do the full cut over. I've got it running through here instead of underneath. It comes up underneath here. And I've already prepped some here. That's got to go right there. Unfortunately, I do have to have one piece that goes under the trailer, but I can insulate it real well. Just got to tie this in, and this should be trouble-free. This pipe here was recalled 10 years ago, and it's already broken a couple times. So by replacing this, we will no longer have that problem. Pipes will stay warm, and won't be having any water damage anymore.